Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're new here, if you're not new, then welcome back. It's nice to see you. Today I'm showing you guys how I did this cornrow or natural hair protective hairstyle. So it's just a really quick summer hairstyle, like if you're doing swimming or doing just a few different activities. I've been really trying to do a lot of things this summer and I'm just looking for simple ways to style my hair. In this video, I'm wearing these earrings. They are from Cultural Mashup. It is my store. I'm going to leave it linked down below if you want to check it out. I have a lot of other earrings if you want to look at them. So I started out on hair that was washed. So I washed my hair the day before and I was kind of lazy. So I didn't detangle it. I basically just put the oils and butters in it, and I basically just put it into a bun, and it was clearly very tangled up, so I had to detangle it before doing this hairstyle. So all I was spraying in my hair was just water, and after spraying in water my hair was more manageable. If you do the same thing as I did, where like you wash your hair and you don't detangle and you usually have a hard time detangling your hair, then don't just add water. You can put a little bit of conditioner into the water before you detangle your hair, and that should add a little bit of a slip to make it easier for you to detangle your hair. As you can see, I use the Shine and Jam Gel to lay my hair. I like using it because it doesn't leave my hair with the white things that gels normally leave in your hair, and it somehow makes it feel nicer or softer when I'm braiding it. If you don't know how to cornrow, I have a more detailed video on how to cornrow and I'm going to leave it linked down below. But as you can see, it's fairly, well, I'll say it's fairly easy once you really get into it. In the video where I have more details on how to cornrow your hair, it was when I first learned how to cornrow my hair. So you're really getting like the, a beginner experience and how I learned how to cornrow. So I'll leave that link down below for you guys to check out. And you don't have to do cornrows. You can do a flat twist if that's what you find comfortable. You can also do the boxes where you put the rubber bands. I'm going to leave a video where I did that linked down below if you want to check that out. If you're new to my channel, you should know that I started this channel because I really just wanted to have fun with my natural hair, and I wanted to share that experience with all of you guys. I mean, if you're watching it, you're part of the reason why I did that. We stress so much about taking care of our hair, and I really just wanted to try simple ways on how to take care of my hair and just how to have fun doing that. And as I've been continuing with this journey, like I've really found that doing my hair for me is like this time is a time that I take out of my day, or like in a week or 2 times a week, to really spend it looking at myself and taking care of myself, and just me like focusing and looking within myself kind of thing. So when you're spending that time, you're doing it in front of a mirror, just looking at yourself, looking at your face, looking at your hair, and just focusing on those things. I have found that they make me feel so good, to the point where like when I explain my hair journey, I can't explain it without explaining with how it has really helped change me, how I look at myself, how I love myself, and the focus that I really put on myself. So that's really usually what I want to share with my videos. It's not meant to stress you. If you cannot do the hairstyle, find a way to change it, or just use this as an inspiration to do your hair or style your hair, and just focus on you loving yourself, spending time with yourself, and really looking at yourself and paying attention to yourself and the different things that have changed, the good, the bad. And sometimes you can see that from your skin, you can see that through your hair, and just what are you doing to change that. Sorry about the cars if you can hear that. But just really spend this time to be really sort of like you time to focus and just look at yourself and be with yourself. I know sometimes it can be hard, especially when you have responsibilities like kids and other things that are always happening in life as usual, but really take time and focus and think about yourself and just take time for you. Like if you cannot do the cornrows, I have so many other hairstyles that take like less than 15 minutes to do. Just click my name and see if you're inspired by one of the hairstyle. And really, ladies, focus on you when you're doing your hair, and just focus on loving yourself, and take that 10-15 minutes or half an hour as like time that you're spending with yourself to take care of yourself. I think that's a really important thing, just to focus on yourself and just take that time, actively take that time out of your day. Honestly, it's something you should do every day. You don't have to be doing your hair every day, but you can definitely find different activities, different little things that you can do for yourself that help you like look at yourself, focus on yourself, and really just pay attention to yourself and what you're feeling. For me, doing my hair has been such a blessing in my self-love journey and just self-discovery journey. It's just amazing that a simple thing as taking care of my own hair would be such a change. Uh, but let me know, like, if you had your hair being taken care of by someone else and you started taking care of it by yourself, have you seen any changes with yourself, with your personality, and just the way you look at yourself in general? Let me know what you think or what your experience has been like in the comment section down below. But again, really have fun with your hair. Don't stress, relax, spend time with yourself, and just enjoy that time that you're spending with yourself. So I am going to use Mali hair, as you can see here, and I basically used about 3/4 of the pack. And as you can see, I'm just using a hair tie to sort of like form another little loop to use it to attach to my hair at the back. And I'm just going to twist it, and you don't have to twist it if you don't want to, but I'm just twisting it to make it I don't know why I twisted it now that I think of it. But yeah, so I just rolled it around and I made a bun. As you can see, I wanted it to be sort of like on the side, and I like the side part because I feel like it frames my face better. If you like a middle part better, then find a way to divide the lines into a middle part instead. I like that I only did 3 because 3 is not a lot. It's not stressful, it's manageable for me. If you find braiding hard or like doing cornrows hard, then maybe you can try 2 or 1, or depending on the length of your hair, you can just do a flat twist, or you can do the box as I was saying before. But just do something that makes you feel good. You don't even have to do this hairstyle, girl. Just do what you like doing, what you find comfortable or you find easy, but don't feel afraid to try different things. You don't have to be perfect at it right now. It honestly took me a year of trying to do cornrows to finally get it. And I'm so glad that I finally now know how to cornrow, but I'm also happy that I never like stressed myself too much about it. So it's just like a work in progress. I feel like the more you take care of your hair, the easier this journey is going to become, and the easier doing different things are going to be. Honestly, like since I learned how to take care of my hair, I find that I don't even do complicated styles anymore. I just do simple things and they turn out to be beautiful, as you can see here. I'm tooting my own horn. But that's it for the video, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. And also remember to relax, enjoy yourself, and have fun with yourself. Thanks for coming by. I will see you next week on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Bye.